Hi, this is Paul at Reliable POD, and this is a video tutorial on how to create designs for our Shopify app using the templates provided. The first thing you've got to do is download the template. So if you come onto our website, go to the product, all our products have a template on the page. And if you scroll down, you'll find it here. You can just download that, gives you an overview of the size, and every product's got a tutorial. You'll also find on each page that we offer free mock-ups, and there's also a video showing you how to use the mock-ups if you've not used them before. So once you've got the template, you can see you've got the size here, 1441 by 685 pixels, and please remember that's pixels, not millimeters, at 200 dpi. If you create your design to this size, it will work perfectly. Just a note as well is if you are a pixel off when you're trying to upload to the app, it will reject it. You have to make them exactly the right size. So here's a design that we made earlier. If I go and have a look at the size on that, you can see it's 1441 by 685, 200 dpi. If you copy that and then paste that in, you will see that that fits perfectly onto the design. Now, what else you might want to do, that's if you're doing a full wrap design, if you just want to drop an image onto a certain part of the mug, if we delete that layer, come to an image like this, here's a PNG, copy that. If you just want to drop that onto the mug somewhere, let's say you want to place it in the central bit, in fact no, let's say we want to just have this on the right hand side. If you do Control T, then hold the Shift key and pull a corner in, it'll keep everything in perspective. Move it across to where you want it, click the tick box, that drops it in. Now what you need to do is you can't just save that image and upload it like that, else you'll get all the design come on the back. So if you come down to the background, click these two boxes on the colors, make sure white's the background and press Control Backspace. That'll drop white in there. And then if you just file and save that as a JPEG, that'll work perfectly for when you upload it. Again, if you check the size, 1441 by 685. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.